Can you believe this? Enoki mushrooms are 10 baht. 10 baht. It is like not even 50 cents. Hello everyone, welcome to my Thailand series. Today I'm at the Minburi Market, which is one of the most popular market in this area. Minburi is about 20 kilometers from downtown Bangkok, but this is the closest market to my place where I live. I live somewhere close by and I visit this market quite often. I thought let me show you all to my people. So let me take you all on a small tour and show you all what is available at this market. Alright, I'm looking for some vegetables. Let's see here. Wow, check out these mushrooms. The enoki mushroom is less than €1. Different kinds of mushrooms. Ready to pick up some mushrooms. We have some really fresh vegetables here, a lot of greens which are very healthy, and I see coriander, which is the most important thing for my cooking, and I see dill, and I also see celery, but they don't have this thick celery. This is a Thai celery, but it is very good for the soup. But they have plenty of other options for the soup, and because Thais make a lot of soups. I see okra, that is a very important vegetable for me, and I see this brinjal also. The fresh turmeric, and you can see the fresh pepper, that is jackfruit, chili, and the green peppers, the fresh peppers. Sawasdee. More greeneries and more seafood. See the price, it's 50 baht a kilo, 55, 60, 65 baht. Okay, so more and more vegetables. There's okra, there's bitter gourd. Alright, now let's go inside the market. This is idiapo. Sawasdee. In India also they have string hoppers. Idiapo in Tamil. Okay, this is the inside of the market. I need to get one of this knife for coconut cutting. So there's bananas and more and more fish. Let's see here what they have. So they have crabs, so mini squid, octopus, mini octopus, squid, and Sawasdee. Some clams. 35. Yes, so this is the naked coconut. Yeah. Yeah, for 20 baht. Yeah. 260 gram. Good. It's a quarter kilo. Yes. Kapunka. So this one, 1 kilo.
1 kilo.
ดูก่อน2 วันนี้กับข้าวครบแล้ว
This one, 1 kilo.
This one 1 kilo.
Yeah, good one.
One.
Let's see how fast you can select. I go home check for good ones, yeah?
Where you are come from?
I'm actually born in India, but I'm from Germany.
เขาบอกทำไมป้ามองเห็นแต่ว่าไม่สวยเอามาให้ป้าบ้างเราสวยนะเพราะถ้าไม่สวยลูกป้าไม่กินนะ
ได้ให้
เอาโลนึงของป้าอันไหน
อันนี้ครับ
คนเหรอ
น้ำพุครับ
ไอ้หนูอ่ะ
Yep.
ไอ้หนู
น้ำผงใช่พี่เรื่องนี้กุยละนี่นะอันนี้สั่งไว้เหรอไปสั่งโอ้ย
Kapunka.
มาสั่งต่อ
Sorry? Yeah, a little bit ice. Yes. No, don't open. Ice.
ใส่นี่แข็งใส่เนื้อมันแข็ง
I clean at home, you know. I clean it myself.
ไม่ได้ยังเลยอ่ะ
Kapunka. What's this?
No.
Ah, okay.
ไม่สั่งไว้กี่โล
Kapunka. Okay, that was my first seafood shopping here. Hello. I still need to pick up some vegetables. Let's see what I can pick up. I need some tomatoes. Hello, tomato. So you have a basket. Can you believe this? Enoki mushrooms are 10 baht. 10 baht. It is like not even 50 cents. I'm gonna take one of this. And I'm gonna take one of this. Is good? Yep. And yep. Yeah, one of this. This is coriander.
Thai
Thai.
ใช่สวย
Okay.
หอม5 บาท
No. I have at home. Lots I have. Lots and lots. How much for this? 70.
Ơi luôn. Đi đơn sập than thôi. Con dây.
60, 70. Kapunka. Alright people, that's it for today. So I'm gonna go home and start cooking. And all my cooking you can watch it on Loki's Kitchen. I have a separate channel for that. It's called Loki's Kitchen. You can watch all my cooking there. Now since I've moved to Bangkok and I'm going to be living here for a few years, so you'll see a lot of videos from Bangkok. If you are interested in some of the cooking videos, you can check out my Loki's Kitchen channel, so where I'll be posting all my cooking videos there. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, consider subscribing and give me some support. So there's lots happening around me in Bangkok and I can go around and make some videos for you guys.